Hi everyone, hope all is well. In today's video, I will share demo one of my recent project in which I had to match fill form, solve hCaptcha, submit, extract data, and then update into a database. So first let me show you the manual process. This is the website and here I am selecting one of the number. Here you can see hCaptcha. When I click, so this type of appear, so it's too hard to solve manually again and again for large number of records. Once this done, then when I click this, it show me a specific data for that specific number, and then getting that data and update the database. So here is the application which I automate this manual process. So this is the pipeline for which the client want to select at a time one. And then here is the validation is just basically for avoid rerun again. Let's suppose if client run today for this and tomorrow again, so his time saved by validation, so it will ignore this because already updated in last 24 hours. So for demo, let me select this one, and when I click start, so you can see now the application start. So first it take the info from the database about this pipeline. Here you can see, total boxes. Boxes mean the total number of numbers which I put one of here. In this pipeline total 365. Now you can see it's sending captcha, and here is it, captcha solve, the data extract, and also uh, first get the old message, then the new, and showing that the old message updated or not. All of the info showing here. So if you want to automate the manual task and save your time and money, then feel free to contact me. Thanks for watching the video.